What happens when a fish gets trapped somewhere it doesn't belong? It mutates. Not slowly, but with shocking speed. Invasive fish across the world are rewriting their own biology to survive. Today, we count down the most extreme invasive fish mutations on Earth. Let's count it down. Number 10. Round Gobi. This fish hijacked an entire ecosystem's senses. The Round Gobi invaded the Great Lakes through ballast water. Its lateral line system evolved heightened sensitivity to detect prey in murky water. This sensory upgrade let it outcompete native species almost instantly. Up next, a carp that rewired its own body shape.
Number 9. Common carp. What if a fish's body could reshape an entire lake? Common carp develop deeper, more muscular bodies in turbulent, invaded waters. This adaptation lets them stir up sediment, clouding water for native competitors. Their feeding behavior itself becomes an evolutionary weapon. Next, a catfish that adapted to leave water entirely. Number 8. Walking catfish. One fish adapted to survive with no water at all. Walking catfish developed an accessory breathing organ for absorbing air. This mutation lets them travel across land between ponds during drought. Florida's invasive population spread using this exact adaptation. Next, a tiny fish that adapted to outbreed everything around it.
Number 7. Mosquito fish. This fish doesn't fight for dominance, it just outbreeds everyone. Gambusia evolved extremely rapid reproductive cycles after global introduction for mosquito control. Populations can overwhelm native fish through sheer reproductive speed alone. Next, a fish with teeth that shouldn't exist. Number 6. Pacu. What fish evolved teeth that look almost human? Pacu developed powerful, flattened, molar-like teeth suited to invaded warm waters. This dental adaptation lets them crush nuts, seeds, and shellfish effortlessly. Anglers worldwide have mistaken their bite marks for something far stranger. Next, a parasite fish that adapted to attack from within. Number 5. Sea lamprey. One mouth ringed with hooks evolved for survival. Sea lampreys developed a suction disc mouth lined with sharp keratin teeth. This parasitic adaptation lets them latch onto host fish for months. Great Lakes populations devastated native fish stocks using this exact mutation. Next, a fish that mutated to breathe air itself. Number 4. Northern snakehead. This fish can survive out of water for days. Northern snakeheads evolved a primitive lung-like organ for direct air breathing. This mutation lets them cross land between ponds during dry seasons. U.S. waterways have struggled to contain this exact adaptation. Next, a predator that mutated into a lake-ending giant. Number 3. Nile perch. What happens when a predator mutates past its own ecosystem's limits? Nile perch evolved toward extreme size after introduction into Lake Victoria. This growth adaptation let them consume nearly any native fish species available. Entire cichlid populations collapsed following this single introduced mutation. Next, a fish whose jump reflex became a genuine hazard. Number 2. Silver carp. One sound and hundreds of fish launch into the air. Silver carp evolved an extreme startle jump reflex to boat motor vibrations. This behavioral mutation now causes dangerous mid-air collisions with boaters constantly. U.S. rivers have documented this bizarre adaptation spreading for decades. Number 1 evolved the deadliest defense mechanism of them all. Number 1. Lionfish. This fish evolved venom for a war it never expected. Lionfish spread across the Atlantic and Caribbean with zero natural predators.
Their venomous spine adaptation, paired with explosive reproduction, devastated native reef fish populations. This is the ultimate invasive fish mutation. From sensory rewiring to venomous spines, evolution doesn't wait for permission. Every mutation on this list was survival, written in real time. Somewhere right now, a scientist studies these changes cell by cell and asks what mutates next. Hit subscribe and drop a comment. Which one shocked you most? We'll see you in the next countdown.